This is a video on using the method of washers to find the volume of a solid formed by revolving a region around a line that is not the x-axis. So the question states find the volume of the solid formed by revolving the region bounded by y equals x squared and y equals 4 around the line y equals -1. So we have a parabola and a horizontal line, and we're going to revolve it around a line that's 1 below the x-axis. It's also horizontal. So here's our picture. There's our parabola and line and our line of revolution. And I'll first draw a cross-section. It'll be vertical. And there's our cross-section. And I'm going to revolve that around the line by revolving the endpoints around, drawing little ellipses around the line. So there's going to be the mirror image of the little line segment, and I draw my 2 ellipses, and then I fill them in, and I can see I get a washer. So I like to draw my region. We got a washer, and we have a small radius and a large radius. And what's different here, I think, is finding the small radius and the large radius. So to find the small radius, that's the distance from the line of revolution to this point here, okay, or this point up here, which is the same distance, and that distance is going to be x squared, that's the distance from here to here, plus 1, which is the distance from here to here. So then I'm going to find my capital R, my larger radius, and that is going to be the distance from here all the way down to here. Okay, and that's the same as the distance from here to here. From the line y equals 4 to the x-axis is 4 units, and then I have to go one more down to get to the y equals -1 line, and that's why it's 4 plus 1, which is 5. So now I plug it into the area formula, and I say the area is pi times 5 squared, that's my larger radius squared, minus x squared plus 1 squared, my smaller radius squared. So remember, the volume is the integral over the area, and it turns out these lines intersect when x is -2 and when x is +2. So that's because 2 squared is 4, and we have y equals 4. So my volume is equal to pi times the integral from -2 to 2 times 5 squared minus x squared plus 1 squared dx. And I worked that out on my calculator. I got 227.87 or so. And I finished the problem.